launched in 2009. The Penang Central Area Transit, or CAT, is a hop-on, hop-off free shuttle service in Georgetown, which runs between the Pengkalan Weld Ferry Terminal and KOMTAR. The frequency of the free shuttle service is every 20 minutes daily, from 6 in the morning to 23:45 p.m., including Sundays and public holidays. The service is free to all, not just for local, but apply to tourists too. The Penang Free CAT Bus is a circular route with 22 stops. Starting from the Weld Quay Bus Terminal. The CAT bus travels along major streets in Georgetown and drops passengers at designated bus stops. These bus stops are mere walking distance to various historical and tourist attractions. These landmarks include Town Hall, City Hall, Fort Cornwallis, Queen Victoria Memorial Clock Tower. Mosque. Temple. Church. Clan house, etc. Penang Free CAT Bus is the most common means of transportation for travelers to get to popular local attractions for free. Look out for Rapid Penang buses that bear a Penang Free CAT Bus sign. The waiting area at the KOMTAR is not inside the bus interchanges, but at the side road, near to the bus interchange. This is KOMTAR Bus Interchange. Next to it is information counter. Turn left is Penang Free CAT Bus stop in KOMTAR. The waiting place for the CAT bus at the Weld Quay Jetty Bus Interchange is located in front of Weld Quay Jetty Bus Terminal A. This is Weld Quay Jetty Bus Terminal A. Adjoining is Weld Quay Bus Terminal B.